cozy. It's time to go pick up a little coffee, cuddle up the blanket. Today I read to page 102. It's about Vianne and Isabel. They're both sisters. You learn quite early on that their mum died when they were really young. The dad left them on the doorstep of an older woman who wasn't very loving. You see Vianne and Isabel both deal with grief in different ways. Vianne's more anxious, Isabel is rebellious. But I am intrigued to find out what happens next. This one is actually the Goodreads best historical novel of the year. Over halfway. It's the third day that I've been reading it. Cannot put it down. Beginning there was lots of character introductions and now we've got a bit more depth to the characters. There's two storylines of both sisters. I'm very excited every morning to read. I've got a couple. Saturday morning coffee. I'm up to page 373. I'm kind of speechless. I couldn't put this book down. It's the second Kristen Hanna book I've read and I will be back for more of her books. I cannot get enough of them. They are truly just real tear jerkers. Honestly, I could not stop crying when I was reading this book. Definitely another 5 out of 5 star read. In the acknowledgements she talks about, it says, as I sit down to write this almost 18 months later, my thoughts and reflections on the whirlwind has accompanied the publication of the Nightingale. What comes to mind first is the word gratitude. I'm unbelievably grateful for the way the readers embrace the Nightingale. In my travels for the novel, I've met with people from almost every state, and I've been able to speak with dozens more on the phone over and over. I hear the novel's profound impact on people and experiences is similar to Isabel and Vianne's, and the novel's a beautiful starting point for sharing those stories. I love that. It's all too easy for family stories to be lost. And then she's been writing for 20 years and says how rare it is for a novel to sweep the country, the world, the way the Nightingale has. And then she talks about all her research led me to one central question: when would I, as a wife and mother, risk my life for my son's life to save a stranger? Once that was in my head, I knew I had a story worth telling. I admit it felt special to me from the beginning. I believed I could write something truly unique and important about these women, this time and place. I fell in love with the characters and the setting and the dark atmosphere of a world at war. And when I finally finished more than 2 years later, I believed it was a novel people would like. But never in my wildest dreams did I foresee the future which has come to pass. I never imagined it would stay on the bestseller list for well over a year. That comes to the end of this video. Cozy little week of reading. If you've read this book, let me know in the comments below your thoughts, opinions, and what you've been reading lately. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye!